Kakunan Menteri Kela Jingmynjur ban penkelano eka rule Nongtrei D. Jangka Meghalaya Ministerial District Establishment Service Rules arajar katnyo balang bakani kejeng pengerla sanpo nakasispa ki Kam Group D haki State Ministerial District Establishment and Pyndap no na pedang Nongtrei Casual kibetrei khlem Pat Sangeh. Uba wailat miki shila ulong bakani kejeng penkela kan penbet iki kendram ki belas lempha ki bami na ki office memorandum beper kawai na kawai pat. Ulitho bagi sarkar Kela Jingmynjur ban penkelai ke Meghalaya Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act arajar nrio. Bagini ke penkelai kan penyahap ekaru kompaniat ke pelatengah kejela berkara jong ke sarkar India ke Jingbet ke jela ban kentiu ke fiscal deficit nagalai nak sispa syakalai point san nak sispa jong ke GSDP nak benta ki kam shimram. Nalor kani kekenuhan Menteri Kela Air ke Jingmynjur bantung biang yu Justice Shivaji Pandey kumu Presiden ke Meghalaya State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. Uba wailat miki uluong ba kasamay terikam jong Justice Pandey kan kot akan rutrik una opera arajar urusan bat kat kum ki kendon ki badon ula ban yu biang kasamay terikam basau snem kat kum kerta ke balabu ba ndru punyo snem. Kekenuhan Menteri Kela Paru ika kerteng jeng sangut ki dikot ke commission ki bagentup yu meja Unsan bentalang nongsiet rupa Paul Chaudhuri Nelisa F Karshiang bat Bijloy A Sangma. Kekenuhan Menteri Kela Jingmynjur ke Service Rules na kebenta ke Meghalaya State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. Kaban penla ke commission bakantung ialah kejong ke Recruitment Board bantung kami ki Nongtrei.
The amendment to Rule 6D of the Meghalaya Ministerial District Establishment Service Rule 2017 to provide for filling up of 50% of the Group D posts for the from amongst the regular casual worker. As you know that this has been a confusion in the past because there are two of 96 where it says that 50% of the posts will be Group D posts will be filled among the RCW, regular casual worker, but there is another OM which came in 2017 which says that all the posts will be filled by direct recruitment. So we just make it clear today that we are going with the 96 OM. We are just amending that from now onward 50% of the Group D posts will be filled from the RCW. And the fifth one is the proposal for reappointment of the President of the State Commission and member to the Meghalaya State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. Here, as you know, that the term of the Honorable Justice Shivaji Pandey as the President of Meghalaya State Consumer Commission shall come to an end on the 6/12/2025. And as per rule, the President of the State Commission shall be eligible for reappointment for another term of 4 years, subject the age limit of 67 years. So that's why since his term is getting over on 6/12/2025, so we are going for the reappointment of Justice Shivaji Pandey.